Today I'm going to demonstrate to you this 1948 Singer machine. It is model 15-91, made in Canada. So it is 46 years old. Now it is a gear-driven motor. That means it has no belt, and it means more powerful, and there's nothing to mess with. The motor, the pedal, and the light all have been rewired. The decals are in excellent shape. It is sparkling clean inside out. All surfaces are clean and shine. It is oiled and greased. There is a new bobbin winder ring and the new power cord. So now let me demonstrate to you how it's sewed forward and reverse. Now I have denim here, and initially I'm going to start with 4 layers. I put it here. Let's get started. Let's do reverse. Not a problem at all. Beautiful stitches. Now let me get that out and do 8 layers. Cut these wires, cut these threads. I'll fold this in half so it has 8 layers in here.